AkuCert is one of our sales tax softwares. It was the one that provided the most effective automation and solution for a lot of the service aspects that were needed. The reason I developed this is we have a lot of large companies, like the company that I was at, that needed to get exemption certificates, determine what the customers were, and then actually validate the exemptions to make sure that a company doesn't have a significant sales tax liability when they get into audit. Some of these new and customized features were basically getting the customer information directly from the client's data, and then getting certificates directly from the customers in an automated fashion. Another unique feature that we have is making sure that everybody through the organization has access to know what's going on with a particular customer that's requesting an exemption. That's one of the reasons we provide unlimited user licenses for our software. We want to make sure the accounts receivable team, the tax team, our team, and everybody in the organization can manage the customer onboarding process and make sure they are working to help the customers effectively. Another unique feature of our product is making sure that all of the tasks that used to be manual are automated, either with emails or with other specialized functionality to take the pain points that used to be there for this operation and eliminate or reduce that time down significantly for both our clients and the team managing the exemption certificate software. The reason you should use AkuCert is we typically find that 25 to 50% of the exemption certificates collected are not actually valid. We have an over 1,000-page document of how we go through and by state, by exemption reason, and then by the exemption certificate form or document, whether that is correct or not. We then work back and forth with the customer to make sure we get a valid certificate so that when your organization gets audited, you don't have a significant cost or really any cost from a tax liability where you haven't collected sales tax or collected a valid exemption certificate. Here at Clarus, our employees really make the difference. We are constantly training, reviewing the laws, and making sure that we are responsive to all of our clients and our clients' customers' need. We have a 24-hour response time. So if we get a question from either the client or the customer, we will respond back and address that situation, issue, or concern to make sure that we are collecting certificates and addressing any of the customer's needs to make sure we're helping them get an exemption certificate, providing it to our client to eliminate any issues that our client can have from those valid certificates. All of our questions originally go to our exemption certificate validation team. If they are very technical in nature, we have a center of excellence team that actually does the research, verifies it with the actual state or local jurisdiction, provides a tax researched answer that is valid in all 50 states. This is unique and different from most of the other offerings. We make sure that our solution is, again, going to be valid when you get into audits with an auditor. We also use that research to provide valuable insight to our clients. In some cases, we need to do extra work to go out and grab additional certificates, basically because the states change their laws, change the forms, and hey, there needs to be a collection process done again. We go the extra mile to make sure that all those things are done, and as laws change, we are up to date on those, and all of our clients are the beneficiary of that research. AkuCert, clear and critical sales and use tax exemption certificate software.